Welcome back to Flights Assistance, where we break down the biggest stories in aviation. Today, airlines around the world are grappling with massive aircraft problems that are grounding planes, delaying flights, and hitting profits hard. From engine crises to huge delivery backlogs, the industry is under serious pressure despite record passenger demand. Stick around as we dive into the 10 major issues airlines are facing right now. If you're into flying or the airline business, hit like and subscribe for more. Point 1. Engine groundings. The GTF crisis. Number 1. Pratt & Whitney's Geared Turbofan, GTF, engines. Manufacturing defects in high-pressure turbine discs have grounded hundreds of Airbus A320neo and A220 aircraft. At peak, over 600 planes were sidelined, with repair times up to 300 days. Even now, only 2–3% of A220s remain affected, but airlines like Swiss, JetBlue, and Air Baltic have suffered major disruptions. Point 2. Massive delivery delays and backlogs. 2. Record aircraft backlogs exceeding 18,000 planes. Both Airbus and Boeing are struggling with supply chain issues, leading to delays of years. Airlines expected new fuel-efficient jets but are stuck with older, thirstier fleets. Point 3. Rising fuel costs from geopolitics. 3. Skyrocketing jet fuel prices, driven by conflicts like the Iran war. Fuel now eats over 30% of operating costs, crushing thin margins. Airlines are cutting routes and capacity to cope. Point 4. Aging global fleet. 4. The average fleet age hit a record 15.2 years. With fewer retirements and delayed replacements, airlines fly older planes longer, increasing maintenance and fuel burn. Point 5. Maintenance capacity shortages. 5. Severe technician shortages. Boeing estimates 710,000 new mechanics needed over 20 years. Maintenance delays and parts shortages are causing more cancellations and AOG, aircraft on ground, situations. Point 6. Supply chain and parts bottlenecks. 6. Broader supply chain failures costing airlines at least $11 billion in 2025 alone. Everything from interiors to critical components is delayed, slowing production and raising lease rates by up to 25%. Point 7. Specific model issues. Boeing and Airbus. 7. Boeing's 737 MAX 10 certification delays and quality issues, plus Airbus A380 wing inspections for cracks and A350 cosmic ray anomalies affecting flight controls. These add regulatory headaches and extra costs. Point 8. Higher maintenance and leasing costs. 8. Newer engines need more frequent, complex maintenance. Airlines pay billions extra in leases for replacement aircraft while waiting for their orders, plus soaring repair bills. Point 9. Capacity cuts and route suspensions. 9. Carriers like Lufthansa, Indigo, and Azul are grounding planes, suspending routes, and reducing frequencies. Strong demand meets constrained supply, forcing tough operational choices. Point 10. Long-term industry impact. 10. These problems threaten fleet modernization and net zero goals by 2050. Slower tech progress, higher costs, and delayed deliveries mean airlines must innovate smarter on existing fleets. These 10 problems show how fragile the aviation supply chain remains. Airlines are resilient, but pressure from manufacturers, regulators, and geopolitics is real. What do you think is the biggest issue? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Like if this was informative, subscribe for weekly aviation updates, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching, safe travels.